Alright.
I'm gonna pull you back. I want your head up right now. Here, otherwise you're gonna hit the head on the deck, okay?
Okay.
In 3, 2. Now you can lean back. There you go. Gael, you ready? What number do you have, Gael? 11. Oh,
Woo! Whoa, it's close.
What do you mean?
You got Mr. GoPro over there. He's like a Scotty paparazzi right now. Go ahead, do that sit test for me. You got it. Get it all in memory. Who cares? Alright, grab these tethers actually. I know. You're going. Yeah, you got it. Look. You're good. You're good. I want you to lean back. Keep going. Keep going. You're not going anywhere right now. This is time to check it out. See if you even like it. Not that way. Look that way. Come on.
Do it. Come on. You gotta do it.
Not that way. Lean back. Just like
Oh, I get nauseous.
that. Okay. If you get nauseous, you don't have to. But if you do, Dan loves getting puked on. Alright?
I think I'll stay.
You can stay just like that. That's perfectly fine, okay? Just listen for the countdown, though, okay?
Okay.
Laying clear for Yael.
Remember, raise your legs when you get close. All right.
Zipping, zipping. You ready to rock and roll? All right, I'm going to pull you back. Camera rolling.
Camera's rolling.
In 3, 2, stop the camera.
She doesn't want
Look up. Eddie, you want to go?
Y'all go.
All right. What number do you have? You have 14,
14.
right? There we go. Get you clipped in back
Yep.
here. Awesome.